This is the Titration Lab video for Chem 116 of Anna Sims, Tommy Cunningham, Chris Burton, and Will Hampton. First of all, titrations are used to determine an unknown concentration of an analyte in a solution by reacting it with a titrant. In order to perform a titration, you first need to know the concentration of the titrant and the volume of the titrant added to the analyte, so that you can perform the necessary calculations to determine the concentration of the analyte. The amount of titrant necessary to bring the reaction to completion is the data that is collected during the titration. How to read a volume from a burette. Read the volume from the top to the bottom. Find initial volume and subtract from the final volume to determine the volume titrated. You read the burette to the correct number of decimal places, which is to the 10th place, or one place past the decimal. Before performing any titration, you must first prime the burette. Priming is the cleaning of a scientific instrument with the same liquid that will come into contact that the liquid will come into contact with during an experiment. In addition to priming, we also cleaned the burette with water in solution 3 times before each use. During a titration, the reaction vessel is swirled so that the titrant is mixed completely with the analyte. At first, when the titrant drops into the analyte, a pink color will occur, but we know that the reaction has not gone to completion until the entire solution is a uniformly light pink color and does not change upon swirling. In this video, you can observe Chris Burton, lab partner number 3, observing the initial volume of the burette to be about 0, reading from the meniscus, and then he proceeds to release an amount of the titrant into the analyte. A pink color is observed. However, once he swirls the reaction vessel, the pink disappears, which indicates that the reaction is not complete. So he continues to release the titrant into the analyte. Upon swirling again, the pink goes away, indicating once again that the reaction is not yet complete. Finally, when a vague pink color is observed, the uniformly light pink, we know the reaction is complete, and he did observe the final volume. And again, for the 4th time, lab partner number 4, Tommy Cunningham, is observed reading the initial volume, now releasing the titrant into the analyte. Swirling the reaction vessel. And now the reaction is complete, and he reads the final volume.